In this video, I will show you how to turn off predictive text on iPhone. While editing text, touch and hold the next keyboard, emoji key or switch keyboard key. Tap keyboard setting, then turn off predictive. Scroll down and turn off predictive. When you turn off predictive text, iPhone may still try to suggest correction for misplaced word. To accept a correction, enter a space or punctuation or tap return. To reject a correction, tap the X, means cancel. If you reject the same suggestion a few times, iPhone stops suggestion.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications.